Good day, guys. Question 39. The major contribution of OPEC to the Nigerian economy is the major contribution of OPEC to the Nigerian economy is the option A, granting of subsidies on petroleum products. Option B, stabilization of oil price. Option C, building of refineries. Option D, provision of social infrastructures. This topic, the question we have here, can be seen in petroleum and Nigerian economy, and it can also be seen in international economic organization where we have OPEC in it. All right. Now, OPEC is the full meaning of OPEC is Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, which Nigeria is a member. The reason for establishing OPEC, all right, is to ensure that there is control in the price of oil in the world market, and also there's control in the output of oil produced in the market, because the demand and supply of oil will determine the price. So they control the output of oil produced and also to control the price of oil produced. All right. So OPEC was set up by some founding members, which we have Iraq, Iran, Venezuela as one of the founding members, which Nigeria joined as the 8th member years ago. Now, let's look at the options. Option A has to do with granting of subsidies on petroleum products. Yeah, subsidies is part of the cost of production that is borne by usually the government or a regulatory body in order to reduce the cost and the price of the goods that will be bought by the citizens. Okay? And it's important to know that OPEC do not subsidize petroleum products. So please know that. Option B, stabilization of oil price. So it's to ensure that the price of oil is stable in the world market. Building of refineries. Refineries are used to convert the crude oil into other complements such as petrol, diesel, kerosene, aviation oil, and the rest. Option D, provision of social infrastructures. All right. Infrastructure are basic amenities that are needed for business to thrive. So from these options, if I'm to eliminate two wrong options, it's going to be option A and C. So option A and C are totally wrong. They are not major contribution of OPEC to Nigeria. All right. So they are totally wrong. So it's important to know that oil, crude oil, is important to Nigeria as we speak, because Nigeria is a mono-economic country. Nigeria depends largely on income gotten from sale of crude oil in our economy. So if there's a change in the price of such product, it's going to affect the income of Nigeria, and it's going to destabilize the economy. So the conflicting option is option D, which is provision of social infrastructure, which is wrong. The correct option is option B, which is stabilization of oil price. So the major reason why OPEC was established is to control output of oil produced by member nations and also to stabilize price of oil in the world market. Thank you.